nouns are everywhere. Nouns are the names of animals, people, places, and things. Here are some nouns that are animals. Dog, cat, goldfish, parrot, goat, lion, elephant, mouse, crocodile, tiger. Here are some nouns that are people. Mom, dad, boy, girl, baby, man, woman, grandmother, grandfather. The jobs that people do or their occupations are also nouns. Here are some occupations. Doctor, farmer, teacher, nurse, engineer, bus driver, police officer, firefighter, dentist, chef. Let's look at some nouns that are places. School, church, market, farm, zoo, library, hospital, beach, park, house. Here are some nouns that are things. Book, table, chair, apple, bread, shoes, tree, rock, hammer, saw. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon.